BTC's downtrend threatens to break below $26,800, targeting $26,000 for Bitcoin price prediction. The important support level of $26,800 is currently under threat of being breached by the downward trending price of Bitcoin, with a potential goal of $26,000. Concerns are being expressed by investors and traders due to the recent price action, which points to a bearish momentum in the market. Bitcoin's short-term direction is determined by the crucial support level at $26,800, and a clear break below this level could open the door for more downward pressure below the $26,000 level. Market investors are intently watching price movements and indicators as Bitcoin navigates this pivotal juncture in search of possible indicators of a trend reversal or continuance. Losing the Bitcoin movement in the United States. Casey Wood, the founder of ARK Investment, Cathie Wood, has voiced her worries that the United States is losing control of the Bitcoin movement as a result of its legal framework. She emphasized that the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has a big influence on how cryptocurrencies are regulated in the nation. The SEC's policy of treating digital assets as securities has drawn criticism from Wood, who claims that this methodology is inappropriate for evaluating the potential of these assets. She used the ongoing disagreements between Ripple and Coinbase as proof. The recent failures of Signature, Silicon Valley Bank, Silvergate, and the FTX cryptocurrency exchange were also linked by Wood to their centralized structure. She emphasized that the lack of transparency, audibility, and decentralization in traditional financial services, which is a key reason for its appeal, is addressed by the decentralized notion of Bitcoin, which developed after the 2008 financial crisis. Wednesday's rise in Bitcoin prices was influenced favorably by Cathie Wood's comments. Hodling of Bitcoin increases, long-term investors choose stability and growth. According to Glassnode statistics, a growing number of Bitcoin owners are choosing to keep their coins rather than sell them to make quick money. The practice of hodling, which is characterized by a stable and maturing impression of Bitcoin as an asset class, attracts investors who have a favorable outlook on the currency's future possibilities. According to the data, the share of the Bitcoin supply that hasn't moved in at least a year has risen to a record-breaking 68%. This shows that the majority of Bitcoin users are long-term investors who are unaffected by variations in price. In addition, data from the Bitcoin blockchain shows that 40% of Bitcoin owners have kept their currencies for at least 3 years. This pattern of more hodling and lessening selling pressure on Bitcoin promotes the currency's expansion and acceptance. It also shows that owners, despite any potential difficulties or concerns, are optimistic about Bitcoin's long-term value growth. Ethereum dominates the NFT market as Bitcoin ordinals gain traction. Bitcoin ordinals are currently in second place, behind Ethereum, whose impressive $393 million NFT volume in the 30 days beginning on April 23 exceeded that of Bitcoin. The majority of ordinals activity on Bitcoin is attributable to BRC-20 token transactions, according to a June dashboard made by Domo. The standard for BRC-20 tokens was developed by Domo. The increase in BRC-20 volumes is mostly the result of traders looking to profit from the current fervor. However, it is anticipated that trading activity for BRC-20 tokens may decline if the gains start to slow down. There has been a renewed emphasis on trading meme coins on the blockchain, even if the NFT market for Bitcoin is growing. As Hong Kong permits retail trading, the cryptocurrency market is gaining traction. Following the statement by Hong Kong's securities regulator that some crypto assets would be accessible for retail trade starting on June 1, Tuesday saw a spike in cryptocurrency values. The Securities and Futures Commission of Hong Kong has announced that beginning next month, individual investors will be able to trade certain digital assets. It would only be permitted on licensed trading platforms. Market optimism and a cap on Wednesday's losses for Bitcoin were caused by the probable increase in the number of retail investors starting on June 1. Price prediction for Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin is currently $26,800, down 2.21% from yesterday. Despite having strong fundamentals backing it up, Bitcoin today gave up all of its daily gains. With engulfing candles and a probable reversal signal, Bitcoin is currently bearish. A trend line and $26,600 are acting as support. However, caution and confirmation through several candle closes are advised to avoid a major sell-off towards $26,500 and additional downward to $26,200. A close above $26,600 may initiate a positive rise. In particular, if Bitcoin drops below the $27,000 resistance level, the 50-day exponential moving average strengthens the bearish bias. It's critical to watch the $26,600 mark because a closure below it could result in further losses. In contrast, a closing above $26,600 creates opportunities for long positions with a target price of $27,400 and a range of $27,000 or higher. Watch the $27,200 level closely because a break over it can run into resistance at $27,800.